To fix the Bosch Dishwasher E08 error code, it is essential to understand what it means, its causes, and the possible solutions. The E08 error code indicates a problem with the dishwasher's water supply system, specifically a lack of water or insufficient water pressure. First, check the water supply connections to ensure they are not kinked or blocked. Verify that the water supply valves are fully open and that the filter screens are clean. If the issue persists, inspect the water inlet hose for any signs of damage or blockage. Next, check the dishwasher's filter, as a clogged filter can also cause this error. Locate the filter, usually at the bottom of the dishwasher, and remove any debris or food particles. Regularly cleaning the filter can help prevent this error from occurring in the future. Another possible cause of the E08 error code is a faulty water inlet valve. If the valve is not functioning correctly, it may not be allowing enough water to flow into the dishwasher. In this case, it may be necessary to replace the valve. To prevent the E08 error code from happening again, ensure that the dishwasher is properly installed and maintained. Regularly check the water supply connections and filter to ensure they are clean and functioning correctly. By following these steps and understanding the causes of the E08 error code, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix the issue with your Bosch dishwasher. It is also recommended to refer to the user manual or contact a professional if you are not comfortable with performing these tasks. By taking these precautions and following the steps outlined, you can resolve the E08 error code and get your Bosch dishwasher working efficiently again.